welcome back. So today we are going to be doing the Walmart subscription box unboxing. So just a few videos ago I did the Walmart's favorites boxes. Those are the ones that you can find in stores or actually available online as well, which is a collection of Walmart's favorites. Now this is actually Walmart's beauty subscription box. Well, I shouldn't just say beauty because they also do like skincare and things like that. It is seasonal, so you'll only get it 4 times a year: winter, summer, spring, and fall, and it's $5 each box. There's no hidden fees, there's no taxes, there's nothing. It is just a $5 box. So it has all types of different samples of things that you can try. Some are deluxe samples, sometimes you'll get foil packets. Here's what the inside looks like. Nothing too fancy, nothing extra special. It's just your stuff in a box. So let's see. Right on top, we have here Curel Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. Ooh, okay. All right. I say this every time, but just in case, for those who don't know, I do have dry skin. So anything moisturizing, hydrating, anything like that gets me happy because I need all the help I can get. But this is wet skin moisturizer. Apply daily and experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. Water activated moisture works deep into skin surface, helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex, immediately absorbs and completely greaseless. Awesome, because I do not like a greasy feeling moisturizer that sits on top of the skin. I prefer my moisturizers to really sink in, seep into the skin, and actually hydrate from the inside out. After showering or bathing, apply Curel Hydrotherapy to the wet skin. Okay, so leave your skin damp, glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. No need to rinse off or wait. Towel dry as normal, and then use daily for best results. So I'm gonna have fun trying this out. So next up we have the Pantene Pro V Intense Rescue Shots. Treatments targets extreme damage, helps prevent split ends. Okay. My hair can most certainly use all the help it can get in that area because just like my skin, my hair is dry too. Okay, so something else to give a shot and then see how else it performs. What is this called? What? Oh, okay. So I didn't realize they actually had a theme sheet in here. This one's called Hydration Heroes. So hydration for skin, hydration for your hair. Okay, what do we have? A coupon for Cetaphil products. They do put a lot of coupons in here too, which I like. So if they're, whether it's something that specifically is in here or something that you've been wanting to try, having coupons toward it really helps because if you do like it or you do want to try it, at least you won't be spending the full amount. So you can kind of gauge how you feel about it first. A coupon code for the Pantene Pro V. Let me see. Olay Daily Facials, Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract, 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Just add water. Okay, so this is an Olay Daily Facial cloth. There you go. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup, even mascara, 2 times better than basic cleansing. Smooth skin as it cleans, and with soft fiber polishers, replenish skin's natural hydration as you cleanse. So you wet the cloth, massage into your hands to activate a luxurious lather, then cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse the cloth for a final rinse. Dispose of cloth, do not flush. Okay, so usually I don't like one-use items because I feel like that's not enough to really know, but something like this, I think you can tell after one use whether or not you would like to repurchase or not. So I'm glad to see that in here. Next up, we have the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask for Detoxing and Brightening from Sue, New York, and I hope I'm saying that correctly. Okay, this is, it looks like it's gonna be fun to try out. So yeah, we all know how these masks work. Detoxing and brightening. Who can't use some of that, especially in the winter time when your skin is looking dry as the deserts? So okay, that is definitely going to be interesting, especially if it's supposed to be a hologram mask. I want to see that. Next up, the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. Okay, so we have that. See, the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue Refreshing Gel Cream for dry skin is one of my favorite moisturizers for my face. So I think there's enough in here to get several uses out of it to be able to tell if I'm gonna like this cream, maybe even make the switch, or maybe just have one for wintertime and one for summertime. So Okay, all right, definitely keeping my eye on that one. Oh, okay, so to go along with the Cetaphil, Lord, what is this called? The Cetaphil, whatever, the Cetaphil paper. So they have this Nourishing Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. Instantly replenishes skin and locks in moisture to leave the delicate eye area feeling soft, soothed, and refreshed. Okay, so here's the thing. This Cetaphil cream is going to be pretty much going up against my Mario Badescu hyaluronic acid cream, because I've been using that for a while now and I kind of swear by it. So it'll be interesting to kind of do a little head-to-head action, one on one side, one on the other, and see how it performs. I use the Mario Badescu one overnight, so I'll do the same with that and then see what kind of results I wake up with the next day. And then last but not least, which I don't remember having seen before, but they have a little like makeup bag in here, or toiletry bag, whatever you choose to use it for. And they actually have a little Walmart logo on the back, which for some reason I think is freaking cute. It's got a little tasseled zipper here. And then here's what the inside looks like, just a basic black inside. But I don't remember, as long as I've been getting this, I don't remember having ever seen them put a makeup / toiletry bag in here, and it's got little raindrops on it, so to go with the whole hydration theme. I think that's super cute. And again, for $5 for the box, I don't think that's bad at all. You get a lot of great things that you get to try from brands that you will find in Walmart and that you can also order online from Walmart. And you get to know how you feel about them before you commit to having it a full-size item. So I think that's great. If you have any specific questions, please leave them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you haven't already, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You have an amazing rest of the week and wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.